So I'm trying to organize these factory tours, and I think this goes to show how hard sourcing from China actually is. I spent the last 2 hours, it's now 11:30, so I'm like dual wielding 9 conversations in WeChat at the moment. Can you send location? Then they send a location. So we're here, where this blue dot, and the factory is this green pin that's 1 hour and 30 minutes away in the middle of China. At least coming here with experience like I've got, it makes it that much easier, as at least I half know what I'm doing. But the factory looks good, but they always do these like fancy promo videos, and you never know if it's like the real thing. They look very studious, and so is that what it is actually like in real life? Well, we're gonna go find out. Look at the chips on how they put inside the product apparently. So maybe we'll see some soldering and how this stuff actually gets put together.
So all the electronics, they need chips. So they made all their chips.
这个是我们公司的。
So they're saying they have a lot of like products because they are very good at developing products. Yeah.
这个我听懂了，对。
He said he understands.
Yeah, good. How cool is this? So apparently everything starts there, and then this is the second step of the whole like chip making procedure. I'm like no chip making expert, so this is a first for me. But all the products that we just saw, the chips go into. So the handheld blowers and the recorders and stuff, all the chips they make here in-house, and then they literally send them upstairs and stick them into the product.
This one is like high temperature. They melt some
circuit board. Yeah. This is like one of the final steps where he goes in and he checks all the quality. So his job literally every day is to sit here and check the quality of everything that comes out of that machine all day, every day, for probably like 12 hours a day or something. And what's she doing? This is like where it starts.
Okay, so they're like checking what material coming today.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Cool. All right. This is very cool. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. The crazy thing is they think Americans are going to make all this. You know, like the American tariffs. They think Americans are going to sit there and do what these guys are doing for like 12 hours a day. Americans are never going to do that.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
They're asking if we are doing live streaming.
Live streaming? No, live streaming.
Videos, yeah.
Not good enough for live streaming.
Very professional.
Yeah, very professional. Say what's his name?
你的英文名叫什么？
我英文名呢
Vincent.
对
Vincent. Hey, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. 你好.
你好
How long have you been working here for?
10 years.
10 years. Wow. Long time.
They say they're working for like trade companies here. You don't have any ideas they can make it.
Oh, right, okay. So any is it electronical products or?
Yeah.
So do they make them here or they get someone else to make them?
Any kinds of electronics. They
What
can
about hearing aids? You know, like hearing aids, like those in-ear.
Oh, okay, I got it. 就是那个帮助听器有吗？ They can make the chips.
对，只要你有需求都可以
Have they made them before?
可以做的呀。
They have an engineering team can develop.
If we gave them hearing aids that we wanted, could they help us find a factory or maybe we go through that? Yeah. Cool. All right, excellent. Vincent, thank you very much.
谢谢
Vincent. Is there anywhere online to find the real factory or ones that are good if it's not Alibaba?
To be honest, online, no. Because let's say if I find some factories, the most trusted one is like my friend tell me, recommend.
Yeah, sure.
So my friend referred me to this guy.
Before,
yeah, they have a like secret factory.
Yeah.
Then I buy from them. Yeah, so I would say most of factories, they're kind of like underground.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is the factories on Alibaba actually aren't even that good. They're the ones that, would you call them factories or would you call them middlemen?
Middlemen. Yeah.
Like even if a factory says I'm a factory on Alibaba, they could still just be literally someone buying from someone. They're just middlemen. They're buying from someone who's buying from someone. So they're not even really the guy who's actually producing the product.
Yeah. I mean, like even the factory we just visited might not be the like real factory.
What? Really?
Like, because they're just like assemble something. They're something.
True.
So they definitely mark up the price a little bit.
Yeah.
Plus they're in the city. So I think most of foreigners, when they step into a company, they do not understand like if the service is very good and people all speak English, it's definitely not a factory. So a real factory, a good quality one, should be like very outside of the city.
Yeah.
That's the real factory.
And do you think the real factories, are they on Alibaba? Are they accessible to people in the West?
They would not pay, because even if, because I just said they need to pay $6,000 to get on Alibaba.
Yeah.
Plus, they need to hire at least a person who knows how to run Alibaba platform to post their products online.
Yeah.
So even this already beats a lot of factories. They don't know how to do this.
Yeah, it's hard.
They need to invest a lot of money. They need to find someone who knows English. It's too much for them. Most of factory, they only focus on manufacturing.
So factories that sell to Temu and Shein, are they exclusive to Temu or Shein, or they can sell to other places as well?
Yeah, of course they can sell to others.
Sure.
They're always exploring other ways to sell their products.
Like, why do you think Temu and Shein works so well in America and other countries?
The most important thing is everybody know this platform and they trust this platform, and they have very good logistics system. So it's like ship very fast.
Do you understand how the logistics work with Temu and Shein?
I think they have their warehouse in the US or in other countries, but I don't know exactly. But I heard it's very fast, and also the prices are very, very low.
Do you find that the quality is better on Temu and Shein compared to Amazon?
I don't think so. I think Amazon quality is better.
Yeah, but obviously more expensive. And
Yeah, it's way more expensive because Amazon, I think they need to have a brand or something, their own brand logo.
Yeah.
So that costs more, but also, you know, make sure the quality is good.
All right, so we're looking at electric scooters. Apparently they have customers in Australia and the US. I think we're seeing their showroom first, which is in here.
So the picture is like this one.
Like this, okay.
Yeah.
What's the difference between these two?
So this and this is like different.
Okay, yeah, and the suspension too.
Yeah, suspension.
Yeah, how many hours do you know?
多久?
Like kilometers?
Yeah. 25 to 30.
Kilometers?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, and so that's the same.
No, this one's like 30 to 35.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And it's got the indicators as well on the side.
Okay, if you want to customize, you can add the lights.
Okay. What's the price difference between these two?
Like 400 RMB.
So 80 Australian dollars. And that's 80 Australian dollars for this one?
The light?
Yeah.
Like the price of the light?
Oh, no, the scooter.
The scooter? 这个多少钱?
这个
1,400 RMB for one container, 40 HQ container. Like 560.
560 units?
Units for one container.
Oh, 560 in one container.
Yeah.
Okay, but is that the MOQ, one container?
Yeah.
Okay, like the battery, do you know if it's approved for Australian standards?
They have certificates.
They do?
They can
For Australia?
Yeah.
Okay.
They have like warehouse in Australia.
But they have imported to Australia, so they know what
Yeah, they
know
have.
what standards.
Yeah.
Okay. So you do lower than that, or does it have to be 560?
At least like 300 units for like 20 HQ container.
Okay, that's not bad. So 300 units at what, 80 Australian dollars?
You're asking about the price?
Yeah.
For this one?
Yeah.
Okay. 这个小的多少钱? 960 RMB per unit for this one.
Did that just go up in price?
Sorry?
Wasn't it like 400 RMB?
Oh, no.
Okay.
The battery is different. That's why the price is different.
Based on what you've seen, is that a good price or no? Is that quite expensive?
I don't know. I don't know about this. There are 3 modes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Eco, whatever, drive, and sport. Okay, let's drive into eco.
Okay.
I'm surprised I haven't crashed yet. We're in eco mode now. That should be good. And the brakes. Cool. We've got factory downstairs.
Yeah.
Very cool. So you got like the kind of finished ones there. They kind of start here. You got your wheels, you got your base, and they pretty much just seem to assemble everything here, which is cool. Which city is the battery produced in?
Battery also in Shenzhen.
Okay, right. You know the model we rode on upstairs, is that being produced here? Like where's, is there an example? Just press down, is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Like you slide first, then you press.
Oh yeah.
So that one has bigger tire.
Bigger tire.
Yeah, smaller. And also this part is all different.
Right, but would this be cheaper, do you think, than the other one?
From other sales, so he didn't know the price.
Oh, okay. Can he send it to us on WeChat after?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. a look at this one. And the power, can you turn the light off? Oh, what's that? Cool. Okay, thank you very much. Great. All right, that's great. We want something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you could just send us more details on that, we'll have the price, MOQ, etc. And then we'll make a decision on what we're going to do.
So ask me about the drop shipping.
Oh yeah.
Because they already have a warehouse.
Okay.
So you just
So you can do that?
yeah.
Can you send us the price on that as well?
Yes, they have. Melbourne.
Melbourne. Oh, you have a warehouse in Melbourne?
Yeah.
Is it their warehouse or they partner with someone? Because we might know them. So if you can send us the details on it, that'd be
Like how when you press the handle hard, the light comes up down the back. So it's like an emergency stop. And apparently this one too seems to have an app attached to it. See here, it's like a barcode kind of scanner thing. It's interesting how there's so many different variations between them. So some of them have got lights on them, some don't. A light is extra. Some have got better suspension, some have got better, brakes. So you can just literally customize this thing to, exactly whatever you want. But the problem is, the more customization, the more expensive.
这款其实效果更好一点，你可以试一下这个。
He said this one's better.
This one's better. Yeah, but is this the best seller?
这是最好的，卖的最好的嘛。Not the best seller, but it's like the newest.
Well, what's the best seller?
卖的最好是哪个？
Yeah, probably that.
像这种嘛，
Yeah. Is that the same as the one downstairs?
没有带这个款
This part，
但是这款是卖的最好的。
But this one's the best seller.
Oh, right, because the other one has the electronic screen and stuff. Okay, interesting.
How much? 多少钱这个？800 RMB.
Okay, slightly cheaper. And he's going to send us the details on the one downstairs as well, because that has the screen.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
100%.
Cool, 谢谢. So I'm surprised how green it is here in Shenzhen.
Yeah, actually Shenzhen is known for a lot of parks. Yeah, they have many parks here.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
At the Four Seasons where we're staying, is it the best place to stay or is there better places?
I think so. I think Four Seasons is the best.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. Is it in Futian or?
No idea.
I don't know. Which district it is?
Don't know. I think Futian, yeah, because that's where we got the train to.
Here no.
City centre.
四季酒店在哪里？
这福田。
Yeah, Futian.
Yeah. Do they think most Westerners are serious when they come over here?
Yeah, they're more afraid of like Chinese competitors visit them,
Right.
Yeah.
And see what they're doing and how
Yeah,
they make
but
things.
Westerners always welcome.
So they don't like the middlemen.
Yeah, they don't like. Or they thought I'm trying to sell something,
Oh, really?
like some platforms or something, like trying to make them pay me.
So you turn up and you just try and sell them. Yeah, people do that in Australia too.
Yeah.
They get meetings with businesses and they try and sell the business on some
Yeah.
software. I mean, I kind of did that for refunds. We're heading back to Hong Kong. We've got about 20 minutes to get to our train, so hopefully it won't be late this time.
Maybe.
We'll find out. We're not even sure if we're at the right train station, because again, like a Didi, you try and tell it something in English, but really you should tell it in Chinese. But oh yeah, this looks about right. Remember this?
Yeah.
It's the most unaesthetic train station. But yeah, we should go back to Hong Kong and then we fly back to Brisbane tonight. But yeah, let's hopefully make sure we can get this train that may or may not exist. It's been extremely eye-opening. The idea of getting on Chinese social media, maybe there's a good way to get relationships with factories, but just taken aback by the opportunity that I think exists here. Very interested to learn that really you kind of have to be here to go direct to the factories. There's like factories and then other factories that then sell to factories. Most people think they're buying from the factory if they contact them off Alibaba, but we learned yesterday that that's really not the case. You actually have to like be here to figure out who is really sourcing the products. And we heard 9 times out of 10 they don't even speak English. So you need someone who's able to come here and help you kind of navigate China and how to play this. So there really is an opportunity to build something here in the space that enables people to not have to get on a plane, turn up in China like we've done for the last couple of days, but really kind of find trusted suppliers to source from to bring their product ideas to life. Right now the closest thing that exists is Alibaba, but again, Alibaba is not not the real factory, and you're still sitting there trying to like half type in Chinese and figure out whether this is a real supplier or not. I'm really excited and I'm pumped up. But yeah, we're gonna go back and we're gonna build something exciting, and we're gonna take you all along with us on this journey of turning what we've learnt in China into a real product that everyone can use, that completely reframes how people think of importing from China and building real brands. So to that, cheers. Cheers. At 11 o'clock on a Thursday.